this lecture we are going to discuss about mitosis. What is mitosis? See, mitosis is the term given by Fleming. Fleming coined this term. Coined by Fleming. Mitosis means thread. Mitosis means thread. Now what this mitosis is? It is actually cell division in somatic cells. Somatic cells means body cells. Cell division in somatic cells, body cells. During this mitotic division, chromosome number remains same in the daughter cell. Means daughter cell have same number of chromosomes as in parent cell. As in parent cell. Now this mitotic division is divided into 4 stages. First is prophase. Second, metaphase. Third, anaphase. Fourth, telophase. So in this way, 4 stages are there in mitotic cell division: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Now first we will discuss about prophase. What is this prophase and what changes takes place in cell during prophase? Okay, so we will start with prophase, which is the first stage of meiotic division. Prophase. See, it is the initial phase of cell division, in which especially what happens? Nuclear membrane disappears. Kinetochore joined to the chromatids. Kinetochore is actually made up of protein, and there are 2 kinetochore with each one kinetochore with each chromatid. So kinetochore join chromatids. Ester rays are produced. Ester rays are produced. Ester rays are produced. Centrosome divide into 2 centrioles. Into 2 centrioles. Centrosome divide into 2 centrioles. So in this prophase, what happens? Nuclear membrane disappears, kinetochore join the chromatid, and ester rays are produced. Centrosome divided into 2 centrioles. Spindle fiber begin to form. This is what is known as prophase. So everything, and one thing more, chromosomes are dense now. Dense. These changes are seen in prophase stage. We can also draw prophase, where you can see clearly cell, if it is a cell, then how its structure can be made here? Aster rays. Aster rays are produced. In this way, aster rays are produced. Chromosomes are there attached to the kinetochore. Spindle fibers are made like this. Chromosomes are there joined to the kinetochores. See here, chromosome is there. Here kinetochore is attached to chromosome. Kinetochore. So this structure which is formed around chromatid is called kinetochore. In this way structure is drawn. In this way structure is drawn. Chromosome is there during prophase of the cell division. So you can write kinetochore, you have write centriole, aster. Aster is formed by centromere, centriole. This is spindle fiber. Spindle fiber is formed from nuclear material or nucleus. Nucleus forms the spindle fiber. Spindle fiber. Chromosome is there into chromatids attached in form of chromatids. So these changes are seen, which I have talked about. These changes are seen during prophase. In this way, now the chromosomes are arranged on spindle fiber, attached to spindle fiber through their centromere, and now cell division has started. Prophase is clear. Now we will move to metaphase. Second division, that is metaphase, cell division. Metaphase. When we are talking about metaphase, few things should be clear what happens in metaphase. In metaphase, chromosomes arrange themselves on the equatorial plane, means equator. Chromosomes arrange themselves on equator. Chromosomes arrange themselves on equator, and they are pulled by centrioles through spindle fiber. So this structure is for prophase. Now we have moved to metaphase. We are going to talk about metaphase. See, in metaphase, chromosomes are most condensed form. They are in most condensed form. Most condensed form. So in metaphase stage, one thing is clear: chromosomes are arranged in most condensed form, and they are arranged on the equator. Here it is, equator is here. Equator. This is known as equator. at this equator only. They have came at the equator, you can say. They are pulled apart by spindle fiber and their centromere is pulled apart. In this way, chromosome is arranged on equator. Chromosome is in most condensed form, can be seen easily by staining. So these things come on metaphase stage, and chromosome is pulled by centrioles through spindle fiber. Chromosomes are pulled centriole through spindle fiber. Spindle fiber. So these changes are seen during metaphase stage. Chromosome is attached, arranged on equator. Most condensed form can be seen easily. Chromosomes are pulled by centromere through this. See, I have talked about spindle fiber and I have talked about ester. Ester is formed by centriole and spindle fiber is formed by nuclear material. And though composition of ester and spindle fiber we will discuss. What happens? Spindle fiber or composition of ester. So composition of ester, firstly I am going to discuss. What is ester? See, ester is made up of tubulin protein. Tubulin protein. Tubulin protein along with phosphodiester molecule. Ester molecules. So this is ester, which is made up of tubulin protein along with phosphodiester molecule. Second term I told you, spindle fiber. Spindle fiber. See, when we are talking about spindle fiber, then its composition is 90 to 95% is tubulin protein, 3 to 5% RNA. Not only this, actin and myosin filament is also included. Actin and myosin filament is also included. Myosin filament. Now second stage is over. Metaphase we have talked. Third stage is anaphase. What happens in anaphase stage we are going to see now. See, in anaphase stage, chromosomes have reached to the poles because of the pulling of the centromere by the centriole, or sister chromatids are pulled. So in anaphase stage what happens? Chromosomes move and reach the poles. So we will write in anaphase stage. of chromatids is seen. Pooling of chromatids is seen in anaphase, due to which chromosome reach the pole. Reach the pole. So because of pooling of chromatids, chromosomes reach the pole in metaphase stage, in anaphase stage. So this chromosome is divided and it is reaching to the poles now in anaphase stage. So in this way we will draw the again ester is there. Here also ester is formed. Okay. Now what happens? Spindle is formed once again like this. In this way. Now chromosomes again reach the pole here. See this chromatid 1, 2 reach the pole. Here also it reached the pole. So chromosomes reach the pole here, you can see clearly. So in this anaphase stage, this is the chromosomes जो है reach the pole and daughter chromosome migrate toward the pole. Anaphase is over now. We will talk about telophase, that is the fourth stage. So how we will talk about telophase? Fourth stage, telophase. See, in telophase, what is the main thing in telophase? In telophase, chromatids are attached to the poles now. Now, chromatids are attached to the pole. Attached to the pole. First point. Second point, spindle fiber and ester ray disappear. Spindle fiber and ester rays disappear. Disappear. Again, nuclear membrane is formed. Third point. Nuclear membrane is formed. So in this way, telophase, these things are going on. Chromatids are attached to the pole, spindle fiber and ester ray disappear, nuclear membrane is formed. So parent cell is divided into two daughter cells. This telophase stage is followed by karyokinesis is over, followed by cytokinesis. So this is what meiotic cell cycle which take place in somatic cells or body cells. In this way we will get two daughter cells having same number of chromosome as that is present in the parent cell. Now two things to be noted here.